Hi, Karen here. In this video, I show you how I turn this skateboard into a whimsical mosaic giraffe. I took off the wheels, removed the sticker, sanded it, and applied a primer. Then I applied several coats of spray paint and put on D-rings for hanging. This was going to be a giraffe because I could take advantage of the skateboard's shape. I start with the big green eyes and use several cups for eyelids. How about a big toothy grin? I went through many drafts before I settled on the face. Finally, I made it to the ears and the antlers, which were also over the top. For the neck, I went with mosaic dots. And here he is before grout. Grout really helps unify the piece to the eye. I hope you enjoyed watching this silly, fun giraffe get made. Let me know what you think. Bye!